Tyler, don't touch that part. This part. No, you're gonna stall it out. You're gonna stall it out. All right, see, now bring it to the right. To the right.
Airplane.
Don't go crazy. This is a real plane. This is not a
Well, Sydney, we know what we're doing with it. Now you know. Sydney, but now you know, so stop freaking out.
That's a tree, man. Watch out, pal. Wait, he's flying right now. Let him concentrate on what's going on. All right, I want you to go around that tree again, but don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. All right, bring it back to the right. Bring it back to us. Okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
You didn't see that.
Yeah, we almost lost it there. Okay. All right. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring it back. Let's fly for a second, okay? Okay. Ready? You're flying. You're flying. No. You're going over the house and you get stuck in there. That we don't want.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
He's flying, guys. Nice job, Ty.
Okay, good night, guys.
Night.
Happy birthday again, Tyler.
Let me just do the first one.
I can do it. I can do the very landing.
Fine, do the landing.
Wait, on the grass.
No. Don't do it on the grass. Do it on the driveway. Here, let me do this one.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. You're losing control. You're losing control. You're losing control.
All right.
It's Daddy that's doing it.
All right, I'm gonna bring it down slowly, Tyler. Okay.
I'm following this.
Tyler, don't run.
I'm gonna follow the airplane.
Tyler, we're gonna land it, bud. Okay. Daddy lost control of it. Tyler's following. Tyler, please.
Please stop, Ty. You don't want to break it, so stop it. Tyler, stop.
I want to do the